This is Mick West on Metabunk.org. I've been asked why clouds and wires and things sometimes appear to be behind the sun. Well, the reason is because the sun is so bright, it basically washes out anything that's in front of it that is partially transparent or is small enough or is out of focus enough that the sun's light basically goes through it or around it. And I can demonstrate that with this little setup I have here. Is a work light behind a board with some white paper simulating the sun, and I've got some old film strips and a small antenna to simulate clouds and cables. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the sun on, and you'll see straight away that the film strip in the middle, which is simulating a cloud, has disappeared where the sun is. It looks like it's going behind the sun, and the wire itself also similarly seems to be going behind the sun. Now I'm going to zoom in a bit to see what's a more typical video of the sun with things going behind it. And you see here there's the sun and the film strips are going behind it. Now if I adjust the focus so things are in focus, you'll see the antenna, which is a solid object, pops into visibility because it is actually blocking the light from the sun. However, you only see it if it's in focus. If you go slightly out of focus, it disappears. Come back into focus and there it is again. Now, it doesn't matter how much I focus, the film strip never pops into visibility. That's because the film strip is transparent, so no matter how much in focus it is, the sun's light is always going through it. Now I've got some other film strips on the side, and I'm going to move those over the film strip in the middle. And as I move them one at a time, this is the same thing as making a cloud more and more dense. You'll see that the film strip there, which is simulating a cloud, is becoming more and more visible. And when we've got 4 strips on, you can see that the cloud slash film strip now appears to be going in front of the sun. And you'll see that the edges of it are still washed out because they're a lot more transparent than the rest of it. But the solid dark parts of it appear to be going in front of the sun. So there you have it. The reason why things appear to be going in front of the sun is that the sun is so bright, and if something is transparent like a cloud and the sun is behind it, then it will look like it is going behind the sun when it is in fact in front of the sun. And with the smaller objects, it's more to do with them being in focus if the object is in fact not transparent. So there you go. This is Mick West, Metabunk.org.